Okay, this just came in the mail today. It is a BT Empire Tracer. I'm pretty excited about it. I also got the BT foldable foregrip. So let's take a look at this thing. Alright. So there's the gun. I'm excited about that the breech that accepts first strike rounds. We'll see how that's gonna work out in the field. This must be the alright, so it comes with some Allen wrenches and an extra O-ring and some screws. I'm assuming that's for maybe putting a bottom line to it, putting on an ASA. Comes with the barrel sock and the elbow. Now I'm guessing that's probably a 14-inch barrel. I could be wrong on that. Maybe it's a 12. So I'll have to do a shooting video on this too. Let's see how the pump stroke is. That's not bad. It's the BT Empire Tracer.